Hello. Welcome. So today we are going to continue to work on the PeopleDear, and I have come a long way, and right now we are on a good place. And let's say the goal of today is to do what? To It's going to be a very short live streaming. We are going to focus on working on the time of request types form, and we are just going to put in place the page to show the form, and it's going to be that, just handling basic navigation. And for those who don't know, here is the project that we are working on right now. It's PeopleDear. It's people management made easy. Yep. So we have been doing a lot of refactoring since we are implementing this time of types management behind on the people manager area, and before we were just handling the time of types with NM. So I've done a lot of refactoring so I can. Beatriz, so this is in English. You need to come on. Send me that message, but in English, please. Tell me when it's good. Good now, Beatriz? Okay, so I hope the sound is good, and what's this one? And now, Beatriz. I need to check this. Okay, I think now it's good. Let's continue. So if we go here to our actions, we can see that we have our CI passing again. Yep, everything green, so this is good. And what have we done until now? So in the last live streaming, I have been fixing this, so the employee can request a time off. you can choose a vacation, and right now you can choose if it's an half day, and then we go and yes, request for the 18 and the 19 until the 19th of December of vacations. We submit them, and there we have our vacations. They are on a pending state, and if we go and get for a sick leave, we just need to say that it it's on the 5th. It was today, let's say. Today we confirm, submit, and there we have the sick leave. Okay, so this is working now, and what we want to achieve is just on the people manage layout. We want to go to the settings, and here under the time of types, we want to be able to navigate to the create time of type form and show the form and create time of types. So we are going to handle this navigation today. And yeah, let's start with that. And we already have time of type controller, organization, time of type controller. This is the test, come on. It's this one, okay. But no, I cannot hear any music. Okay, so we have the index method, and now we need to bring the create method so we can show the create page. And okay. That's it. It's going to be this this one. And now let's bring that page under our resources folder. It's going to be on the for time of type, and now let's just create the create page. Yeah, then let's just say hello. Create time of type page can be like this, and okay, and we are just going to return a div. Okay, let's go to our web file to go to the hello Isaac, how are you? Welcome. Hope you enjoy. I'm just starting to live stream, so you need to be patient. And yeah, but in Portugal, yeah, we sometimes got sick. Okay, where do we have our time offs? They are here. And let's create a group for this. Let's just prefix this. Time of types. Okay. We have a as. We don't need this. And actually, but we can implement the store method already. Also in the controller. Here we are getting there. So now we can go here just to test this. There we are, and we are on the page. How cool is this? Okay, so let's bring some stuff to the create page. Mhm. Okay, so now we are going to start to build the placeholder to the form, and this is going to be let's see what, because I already have some other forms implemented. Yeah, and this where I actually I want to fix this. Let me try to understand. So it's on this parent here because we have, okay, we have item start. actually is on the app layout. App content and page header, children, and it's this. And here item start. We want this to be applied on this is it. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Perfect. I think because I'm bringing this app layout, but I think I don't want the app layout. This was the admin layout and then the organization's layout. Okay, no worry. Let's. Okay. Mhm. This will do it. Um, I don't like the let, but don't care. Just continue. Okay. So now actually on the create, let's bring. Okay. So let's go to our create. Ooh, we have errors. What are the problems that we have? So we can navigate. Yes, we can. Okay. Request time of no. So copy and paste. This sometimes brings some problems. Mm. Okay, actually, maybe this will work. I think I will need some more space now. And maybe the problem is that can I do something like this? Yeah, and this is going to work like a pop-up. No. Okay, so this was the plan for today. Um, now we need to do some other stuff. So composer test. This. Okay, because we will need to do some tests. To write some tests, here we have the time of organization, time of types controller. Let's just do some very simple test. Renders the create page. Renders the create page. Okay, so let's bring 3 time of types. Yeah, and it's just a small test, just to make sure that that we have a test for it for now. Okay, so we have a create, and we just want to assert that the response is okay. Response assert Francisco. Okay, maybe it's passing. This is cool, by the way. So let's go to the create demo page, and let's just play a little bit with let's bring a new browser test. Okay, and what do we need? We can play a little bit. With this, because we will need this again here. And now test. Okay, this is done in another way. It's the same test, but let's say that can we? I think we need to do something like this, and then we say that we are visiting, and now we can say we visit this page, and we can do a screenshot. Let's do a screenshot of it. We have a screenshot, and look, here we have, but this is too big. can and if we go here, we assert that we are seeing time of types. Why don't we see the time of types? It's here. Okay. We need to do something here because we have this organization, but we need to do a session. In terms of, but we are on the correct page. It's this one. Come on. We want to be on the create page. We want to click back, and then we assert that we see the time of types text. And no, one thing. we are creating, where are the, aren't we creating, no. Okay. We are not creating location type, time of types. Let's create some time of types for this organization. Count for create. Okay, let's take a screenshot. How can we mobile? Oh, I have played with this regarding the screenshot being for a mobile device. Why than this? No. Francisco, read the documentation. Let's have some fun with PEST. PEST and browser testing. PEST PHP, browser, okay, browser testing. And now let's search mobile. Aha, it's here. This is actually, I think this is actually very cool. On, this is it, on mobile. And let's take that screenshot. Here it is, our screenshot. And already we can see that we can improve a lot. We need to improve a lot what we have right now. Okay, so let's talk about this PEST and browser testing. And so today I was creating this test just to showcase, just to test if I'm on this create time of type page, I can navigate back though. So this is what I'm doing, just clicking in this button and making sure that I'm on this page. But okay, this is the test that I've written. I'm testing that I can navigate back to the create time of page, and what we are doing is we need a specific user with a specific role. It doesn't matter. We are visiting this route, the create page. It's this one here, and so now what we are doing is just asserting that we are seeing when we navigate back, we are seeing the time of types text, and we see that we have this text on this button, create time of type. Okay, perfect. Now, let's say that I want to have a screenshot of this page, and I want to store it. And let's run it. Oh, but let's delete that screenshot. Let's run it again. And here on the right, let's see. Okay, so we have a screenshot, the page that we are, and now one of the coolest thing, and maybe I'm no. And one thing that we can do is we can say that we are visiting this page on, and now we can specify that we are on the mobile, and now we run the test. And now we have a screenshot that shows how we see our page on a mobile device. But let's say that we want to run this in dark mode. And there we have it. Our page in dark mode in a mobile device. And now we know what we need to do to fix the design of this page and the layout of this page. This is amazing. Okay, let's go. Let's wrap up today. Let's just run our organization time of types controller, line 31. What's missing on line 31? This cannot be true. Let's run our tests again, because there's no way. I have been writing the tests. Maybe it's faster running the tests on the CI than on my local computer. Okay, we need to run composer lint. By the way, let's see our composer.json, because so what are these commands doing, these scripts on composer? So we have some here declared. So one of them that I've created is Wayfinder generate, to help us to generate uh, routes and controllers on the resources folder, to use Wayfinder every time that we save some file. It will generate the files on the front end again. We have the lint. With the lint, we are running Rector, we are running Paint, and we are running npm run lint and fixing the styles, applying changes of PHP with Rector, and applying the style with the Paint in PHP. So actually that was what I have done right now. Then we have test type coverage, just to assert that we have everything typed correctly on the PHP. Here we are just testing the format, and if everything is okay, then we have test units that is running pass on parallel, and we test coverage. Then let's see. Okay, we expect 100% of type of test coverage. Then we have test types again with the PHP stun. And then we have the test itself that runs the test suite. And that's what we are running right now. Oh, again, slow laptop. I cannot believe this. Come on. Manchester United. Really? There's no way that these guys are able to win a match. Oh, okay, no errors, so it's everything is fine, and we can continue tomorrow. So, see you guys. See you tomorrow.